Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all Paneer diet plan, 7 days of high protein diet plan for weight loss to help you lose 7 kgs in 30 days very easily. Now recently my lots of clients asked me for a particular diet plan which is paneer oriented and which can definitely be high protein diet plan which can help you lose 7 kgs in 30 days very easily. And hence with this diet plan they were able to see a great transformation happening for themselves. And so can you. For personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number which is 6284306522. And we can start your weight loss transformation with me and begin the transformation happening. So without any delay, let's get started with Paneer diet plan to help you lose 7 kgs in 30 days very easily. Starting with of course the best early morning drink. Why? Diuretic in water helps in detoxifying and great to remove all the water retention, swelling and bloating very quickly. The first option for you would be to simply have either my fat butter drink which is basically made of boiled ajwain and jeera water. Now this amazingly works well because it helps with postpartum weight loss as well, PCOD, PCOS or people suffering from diabetes as well. So why this works is it helps to cut your belly fat and of course to remove all the water retention super quickly. Boiling 1 teaspoon of ajwain and 1 teaspoon of jeera in approximately 1.5 cups of water, letting it simmer for 4 to 5 minutes and you're good to go to have it. Proceeding towards our second option, if you cannot have this then you can simply have warm apple cider vinegar water. All you have to do is in 1 glass of warm water add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and mix it well and have it empty stomach. This basically helps to balance your pH level in the body, at the same time also helps with your detoxification as well. So do try out and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. Proceeding towards our breakfast options for this diet plan, I'll be giving you 2 options for breakfast for of course the paneer diet plan. And the first option has to be my personal favorite and loved by all of my clients, which is grilled paneer sandwich. Works amazingly well to satisfy you very quickly and also is super quick to prepare. All I have done here is taken 2 slices of multigrain bread, along with that taken approximately 100 grams of paneer plus cucumber, tomato, Greek yogurt, homemade mint chutney, and you're good to go to assemble it all together and grill it for 2 to 3 minutes and you're good to go to have your high protein paneer sandwich. Second option for all of those who cannot have this is to replace this option with a no bread sandwich, which is basically made of besan batter plus adding lots of paneer stuffing into it. Now I love having this sandwich is when I want to have a quick besan chila recipe. Can't prepare besan chila? Just try to toast all of this into a toaster and you're good to go to have your no bread sandwich. The recipe is in the description box below. Enjoy it with some mint chutney or some homemade ketchup and you're good to go to have it. Proceeding towards our mid-morning snack option which comes between our lunch and breakfast. If you do feel hunger pangs during this time, the best option for you would be to consume either 1 cup of green tea or 1 glass of coconut water if freshly sourced or available, or you can have 1 fruit of your own choice. Be it any seasonal fruit, you can have that for your mid-morning snack. Proceeding towards our lunch option. For lunch, I'll be giving you 3 options, my personal favorite and loved by all of my clients. The first option is, of course, to have paneer sabzi. I've shared lots of healthy paneer sabzi recipes. My personal favorite is shahi paneer. You can have paneer bhurji as well. You can have kadhai paneer as well. You can have paneer butter masala. Whatever is your favorite option to choose for your lunch time during this diet plan. Along with that, you can have oats beetroot roti as I've showed you the complete recipe here as well. I like to have it with paneer sabzi. Tastes super yum, super amazing. Along with that, of course, salad and dahi has to be there. Second option is if you cannot have this, then you can always have simple and quick to prepare my personal favorite paneer biryani. My clients started loving having this biryani. Why? Because it's super convenient to prepare, quick to prepare, and trust me, you take it for lunch or you can simply carry it anywhere and tastes amazing. The recipe is super simple. Just I'm adding here marinated paneer to golden brown onions. Along with that, of course, I'll be adding very little rice to it. You can use brown rice as well. I'm using here the normal white rice because I'm using the quantity as a very less quantity. Along with that, you can use some kevra water for taste, some biryani masala. You can even add some dahi while cooking it and you're good to go to prepare your tasty biryani. Along with that, have dahi or raita and plus salad has to be there. And you'll fall in love with this biryani. So do try out and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. Third option is if you cannot have either of these options, then the perfect option for you would be to have zucchini carrot fritters or zucchini carrot pancakes along with a high protein paneer dip. All I've done here is grated some zucchini. You can use ghee or loki in place of it as well if not available. Use carrots grated, squeeze all the excess water of it, add some besan for binding and some normal spices of your own choice. Some chopped onions also you can add. Along with that, simply prepare it in pancakes form on a non-stick pan. Trust me, they taste similar to a tikki. Works amazingly well. And by side, I'm preparing a very high protein dip along with it, which is basically made of some Greek yogurt. You can use hankad or ghar ka bana hua dahi as well. Along with that, adding lots of paneer to it, some lemon juice you can also add, some black pepper powder, salt for taste, and you're good to go to blend it all together. And your tasty and super creamy high protein paneer dip is ready. So you can try out this recipe for your lunch as well. Proceeding towards our mid-evening snack option, which comes between our lunch and dinner time. If you do feel hunger pangs during this time, the best option for you would be to simply have a quick snack, which is basically 20 grams of roasted makhana. If not possible, then you can have 20 grams of roasted peanuts as well. Along with that, you can have tea or coffee as per your own choice, or you can skip and have green tea as well. Do not add any kind of sugar to your tea or coffee if you're habitual to it, but always try to replace it with green tea, a peppermint tea, or a ajwain water during this time. Proceeding towards our dinner option for Paneer diet plan, which is making you lose 7 kgs in 30 days very easily. The first process is to have a high protein paneer recipe for dinner. I'll be giving you 3 options. You can pick and choose as per your own choice. I'm preparing here paneer stir fry. All I've done here is on a grilling pan, I'm adding lots and lots of vegetables to stir fry. You can add as per your own availability and choice, whatever is available. I'm adding here broccoli, bell peppers, capsicum. You can add anything, whatever is available at your place, beans, carrots, mushrooms, sauteing it all well. Along with that, then I'll be again grilling some paneer as well on the side. This is 100 grams of paneer. You can choose as per your own availability. Along with that, I'll be simply seasoning it all with some black pepper powder, pinch of salt. You can use lemon juice as well, and just assembling it all together. And over the top, I'm adding some Greek yogurt. You can even add the dip that we have prepared earlier. This tastes super amazing, and trust me, you'll fall in love with this recipe every day to have. Great for weight loss, great for fiber intake, and amazingly beneficial for every day. Second option is for all of those who cannot have this. The best option for you would be to prepare a paneer tikka. Why paneer tikka? Because again, very satiating, plus super tasty and grilled form. It feels amazingly well, and the recipe is completely shared on my channel. I'm using an air fryer here. You can use anything of your own choice to prepare this recipe. You can use a grilling pan, you can use a non-stick pan, and toss it up all together with some bell peppers, some raw onions, and you're good to go to have it for your dinner. Third option is for all of those who cannot have either of these options and who doesn't want to have paneer during this time, is you can have simply air fried broccoli and pineapple. This tastes amazingly well, and trust me, it feels just like grilled pineapple, and it is amazing to eat for your dinner time. Great for fat loss, great for fiber intake, people suffering from constipation relieved very quickly. So do try out these recipes for your dinner. Proceeding towards a bedtime drink option, which comes post our dinner. For this, I'll be giving you 2 options. Of course, the first option has to be my personal favorite and loved by all of my clients, which is chamomile tea. My clients have seen tremendous weight loss happening with this tea. Not just weight loss, but yes, helping you boost your metabolism. They're able to sleep well throughout the night and works well for your fat loss as well. Second option, if you cannot have this, then you can simply have either turmeric water, which works amazingly well for thyroid levels, or you can simply replace it with ajwain and jeera water, and you're good to go to have your bedtime drink. Along with this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail, to help you with your hydration benefits, to remove all the bad toxins from your body very quickly, and to promote good weight loss as well. And for personalized diet plan for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306522, and I'll be more than happy to assist you in your weight loss journey. If you like my video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the diet plans or meal recipes, and I'll be more than happy to assist you with it. Let me know in the comment section below how you felt about these recipes, and to check out all my videos now in Tamil language, do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More Tamil and check out the videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.